What we're representing today is Airstar Lighting. What provides clean light to people? What you see here is a balloon lighting from Airstar, developed back for Hollywood to light up film areas. It's a lot more comfortable for actors to work in the dark. What makes it unique is the fact that there's no glare with it. What they've done now is try to adapt that to the first responder, military, and even construction market. You've probably seen these on pavers working on the highway systems at night. One of the benefits of the light is that it provides no glare. You can look into it and then turn your head away at night and you don't see those blue dots. It provides really good color retention while working like in aircraft manufacturing or even doing triage on the side of the road with a casualty. You can see better off what the actual problems might be. A lot of the other technologies use halogen or high pressure sodium, which draw a lot more power. This one is LED, so it's a lot cooler, especially when you consider if you load like a halogen light, those create a lot of heat when they're on. It also has the ability to plug into the NATO slave plugs on the side of all US and NATO forces vehicles, like a Humvee on the side of it has a slave plug, so you can plug directly into that. So if they're going to do work on their vehicle at night, they can definitely do that. It makes the night day. Airstar produces lights that are 10 meters in diameter that can be raised up above and light up a city block if necessary.